All right, here we are at Sauceman's Garage. We're just going to, we just finished the evap solenoid. We're just going to change out the air filter. Just do a quick video on that. Super simple. I've got the new Denso air filter for the vehicle. It's a 143 part number 143-3365. All right, so the best way I found to do this air filter is if you pop these and then you try and cram this, you run the risk of actually ripping your boot, your rubber intake boot here. So it's best to actually undo the clamp and then pop this off this way without trying to manhandle it. So we'll do this now. So first thing that's got to come out is the mass airflow sensor, which is right here, and also this breather tube here. So this breather tube, simple enough, pops out, put it off to the side. Mass airflow sensor, what you need to do with this one is you need to pop this gray tab here. Just pop it, it'll come right out, don't lose it, it's very important. You'll get it to this point, and then right in here, small screwdriver, give it a little more, put that there, and then with the mass airflow sensor, this tab right here, push down and pull. So push down on that tab, pull the whole unit out. Sorry, not the whole unit, the electrical connection. Put that off to the side, let's put this over here so we don't lose it. And now, flathead screwdriver to loosen that. Loosen that hose and pop that like that. Now what we can do is we can loosen this and move this kind of out of the way here, like so. Get access to our air filter. It's actually looking pretty good. It's not bad at all. Well, customer wants it changed. Been driving through dusty roads, but that's not a bad air filter. Get the new one. Again, can always confirm your parts. Looks good. Put the new air filter back in here. Like so. This has some slots on the bottom. Goes into slots on the bottom of the housing. So finagle the hose back on. Make sure your slots are lining up on the bottom of the housing, like so. You can check on the bottom here. Make sure it's all sealed up. You can see the gap down there is all sealed, so we know we're in our slots. And then we'll tighten this, tighten the two tabs. Nice and secure. Plug back in our mass airflow sensor, like so. Take our securing clip back into the same position. Oops, don't want to leave a piece of glove there. Back into the same position. There. We will make sure our hose is reattached, and we will tighten down our alligator clip. No need to super go crazy on the tightness here. It's really just snug. Perfect. Finally reconnect our vacuum hose here. And that's how you replace the air filter on a 2008 Pontiac Grand Prix. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you simply undo these and try and crank it open, you run a real risk of ripping this boot, which is going to be an expensive repair. Best just to remove the hose clamp, remove the breather, remove the mass airflow sensor, just as I showed you, and that will give you the opportunity to move this all out of the way without stressing that boot. Thanks for watching Sauceman's Garage. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.